Ads not selling? Ask these 2 questions to get more sales. I run across business owners all the time that have incredible offers, but they have no idea how to communicate to their customers how awesome they are, so they don't get as many sales as they could be getting. It's usually almost the same issue, and it can almost always be solved by asking these 2 questions. 1, what pain point does my product or service solve? And 2, what result does my product or service provide? In other words, add pain into your ads and add love into your ads. I'll give you an example. Let's say you have a coaching program where you teach real estate investing. The pain point would be, hey, have you always wanted to get in real estate investing, but you don't have any money, you don't know where to start, and you don't know how to get financing? The love would be, join my coaching program where I'll show you step by step how to get started. And I'll even show you how to use other people's money to invest into your first home. Let's say you sell pain medication. Then the pain point of your customers actually happens to be pain. So your messaging could be like, oh my gosh, are you tired of that crazy headache that you've had for days? And then 2, your solution would be, try headache be gone. It works within minutes and your headache could be gone like this. See how I've talked about the pain, which was their headache, and the love, which is that our medication is going to get rid of that headache that you have. Or here's another example. Let's say you're a healthy food delivery service. The messaging to get to the pain point of your customer could be like, hey, do you want healthy, delicious food, but your only options are McDonald's and Burger King? That's the pain point. And the love would be, subscribe to our healthy food delivery, where we'll deliver fresh, nutritious food right to your door. Pain is that they wanted healthy food. The love is that they now have healthy food. We identified the problem and the solution. So call out the pain and challenges of your customers, and then identify your product or service as a solution. If you would like to learn more about how to create ads and content that sells, make sure to subscribe and check the description below. I'll show you how I've created ads on my cell phone that have generated multiple 7 figures for me and other businesses that I work with. Check the description and let's go.